Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome again to English Mania, the host of Spoken. So, in this video, we're gonna learn about how to talk in English fluently. Fluency is a very important part of speaking. If you want to be a good speaker, you have to be fluent when speaking. So, you cannot ignore this part of speaking. You'll have to be fluent. Okay, if you are a good speaker but not fluent when speaking, you won't be counted as a good one. So, if you want to be a good speaker, be fluent when speaking in English. So, in this video, we're gonna share some tips and tricks about how to be fluent in English. Well, there is no shortcut at all, but you can use these types of tricks and tips. So, let's start. So the first trick is you have to think in English. Okay, how can that help you? If you always think in English, it will help you a lot, because when you think in English, you talk to yourself. You talk to yourself in your mind. No one knows that, but you talk. So that makes a very, very big difference. Well, I tried this, and yes, it worked for me. Well, you can say I'm fluent here. Well, I'm not so fluent, a bit fluent, but it's all of this because of all this trick. Okay, the second one, please always try to speak like a native. Oh, if you're not a native speaker, don't think you are not a native speaker. Just always try to speak like them. Well, how they speak, their attitude, their emotion, their expression, you should look at them and make yours. Okay, so the second trip is gone. Third trip, don't ever, never be ashamed of people. People's work is to criticize you, but you shouldn't care about them. Don't care about people's criticism. And the fourth trick is get out of your haters. Don't think of them, never. Just think they're nothing. You are just everything. You can do and you will do. So never care of your haters. This word is just, what should I say? I think it's really means big, but this word I just stated. Okay. So the last and the final most important tip, that is you have to practice, practice and practice. There's no way without practice. So, what are you waiting for? Just practice and follow the tricks. I hope you will be successful. Okay. If this video was helpful for you, if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment and share our videos. Oh, another thing, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so that you can get the notifications of the next videos. So this was all for this video. Meet you in another video with another new topic. So bye bye, love is.